In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contract templates in HoneyBook, Beginner Guide 2026. We'll start right at your browser. Head to honeybook.com and open the site. If you're new, you'll see options to sign up, but if you already have an account, go straight to logging in with your credentials. Complete any security checks that appear, like verification codes, and never share your login details with anyone. Once you're in, HoneyBook drops you onto your dashboard. Think of this as mission control. It gives you a quick snapshot of your projects, recent activity, and anything that needs your attention today. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This is where you'll find everything you need, organized into clear sections. To build your contract templates, look for the Files area and click it. Files is your workspace for reusable assets. So creating templates here means you won't have to rewrite the same contract for every new client. Inside the Files view, switch over to the Contract section. This is a dedicated space just for contract documents, separate from brochures, invoices, and other file types. You'll notice there are pre-made templates available. Choose one that's closest to the type of service you offer. Starting from a pre-built layout saves time and ensures you don't miss key sections that most contracts include. As soon as you select a template, HoneyBook opens it in the editor. This is where you manage the contract and make it your own. Read through the entire document slowly and adjust the language to match your business, your tone, and your service specifics. Update headings, clarify scope of work, and make sure timelines, payment terms, and cancellation policies reflect how you actually operate. If the template includes dynamic or smart fields for client names, project dates, or pricing, confirm they're placed correctly so HoneyBook can autofill them later from your project details. Formatting matters too. Break long paragraphs into shorter sections to improve readability, and keep your wording plain and direct. If there's legal language you're unsure about, consider having a professional review your text. Templates are powerful, but they're not a substitute for legal advice. Finally, keep consistency in mind. Use the same terms throughout the document, avoid contradictions, and ensure the tone feels professional but friendly. That's it. By navigating to Files, opening contracts, selecting a pre-made template, and refining it in the editor, you'll build a clean, reusable contract you can rely on for future clients.